So guys, for the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once we're on it, we're going to run these three commands, which I'll leave down below in the description. So for the first one, I'm just going to type it in, netsh space int space IP space reset, and click on enter. Then once you do that, you want to copy and paste these other two commands, and then you want to run all of them. It's going to tell you to reset the computer, but don't restart it yet until you complete all the other steps in this video. For the second step, we're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on any service and click on W on our keyboard, which will take us down. And we want to look for W1 autoconfig and WLAN autoconfig. You want to double click on W1 autoconfig first. Then you want to change the startup type to automatic and then click on start. And then click on OK. Then you want to click on WLAN autoconfig and do the same thing. So click on start and then change startup type to automatic and click on OK. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on change advanced power settings, and then you want to find wireless adapter settings. We're going to double click on it. Then you want to double click on power saving mode. Then you want to make sure that the setting has been changed to maximum performance and click on OK. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on network and internet, and then you want to find your Wi-Fi. You want to click on that. Once you're on it, you want to change your public network to private. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once we're on it, we want to expand network adapters, and then you want to find your wireless internet. I'm going to put something on screen right now. It's going to look something like that. So once you find it, you want to right click on it and then click on update driver, and then click on chat automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best driver has been installed. For the last step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to check for updates and do the updates that your computer may have. Then you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.